A day in the life with a PIVOTtray. First, pick up the farm quad bike, then off for a service. Next, shift the doll's house to a new site. Then load the new scooter, single-handed for delivery. A call comes in to pick up and deliver a fridge. A simple one-man job with the PIVOTtray. Next, we had to find a solution to move this out of the yard. Without a tow bar. Then, can you move the motorbike please? And be sure you won't drop it? Can do. And there's no way we'll drop it. Next, can you take the mowers in for a service please? Sure, no problem. This one as well? Finally, we drop off the last one for the day. All thanks to PIVOTtray. The only way to tilt your Ute tray. Phone 0755935358 for more information. Call now. Have you ever dropped your bike trying to load it on your Ute? PIVOTtray is the only way to tilt your Ute tray. Load your Ute safely single-handed. PIVOTtray.com.au. Call now 0755935358.